Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Contacts using Google Takeout. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Takeout website. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once signed in, you will see a page with a list of Google services. Scroll down to find contacts in the list. Click the checkbox next to contacts to select it for backup. You can choose to export all contacts or specific groups. To export specific groups, click on all contacts and select your preferred options. After making your selection, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Next Step button. Now, you will see options for file type and delivery. Choose your preferred file type, such as .zip or .tgz. Select the delivery method, like receiving a download link via email or adding it to cloud storage. Under frequency, choose if you want this to be a one-time export or scheduled exports. After setting your preferences, click on the Create Export button. This will initiate the export process, which may take a few minutes. You will receive an email notification once the export is complete. Check your email for the download link or access in your selected cloud storage. Click the link to download your backup file. Once downloaded, locate the file on your computer. Extract the contents of the downloaded file. You will find your contacts in either a CSV or vCard format. You have successfully backed up your Google Contacts using Google Takeout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.